My name is Anil. My house is located with a hill view. It's a G plus 2 floors property. I live here with my family, my parents, my kid, my wife. We are into business. We have restaurants and we are into construction also. Since my house is a G plus 2 floors, it has good views from the top floors. So I was searching for a good home elevator, looking for something which doesn't have a pit and which is noise free, which is safe for my parents and kids, just maintenance free. So I was having a lot of specifications and I just don't want my interiors also to get disturbed. And after going through a lot of home elevators, found the right match. I felt Elite is the right match. For me, it's very important that my parents get to enjoy the view of the house. I have elderly parents at my house. If they have to move around, come to the top floors and all, I don't want them to suffer leg pains and knee problems, issues. So that is one of the main reasons I wanted a very good lift, so that they can use it conveniently and enjoy the top floor view, we have a stunning view towards forest. So I want them to enjoy that. So I selected Elite because after looking at all the options, I felt they will give me the best maintenance free and good elevator for my parents. The Elite people have been very friendly. They communicated well and they took care of all my requirements. Safety features are very good, especially for the kids. All the special benefits are there where I don't have to get tensed about my parents or my kid getting stuck in the lift. I think that is the main thing. It gives you peace of mind. So certainly it's worth the price I kept in it. There's nothing better for a home elevator than a light.